to see a real blizzard. This is my first blizzard. Okay. Bye. Here I go. I'm walking out my side door. I'm going to drop my blanket and I'm going to... There's only a couple inches of snow out. I don't know, oh my god. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but the wind, I think they said the wind is about 55 mile an hour winds right now. And it's really cold. So yeah. Let's see if turning off this light will help. I don't know how to do it. No, it doesn't. Anyways, you can probably hear the wind whistling. So, my first blizzard. This is Bismarck, North Dakota, folks.
My friends, the Eastern Weather Report here. If you look outside, the blizzard warning remains in effect until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time, 5 a.m. Mountain Friday. A blizzard warning remains in effect until 6 a.m. 6 or more inches of snow, winds in excess of 40 miles per hour will cause life-threatening winter weather tonight. If possible, delay travel until Friday, and the roads become impassable. That's all I'm saying.